somebody just got promoted and they said, give me 10 of them things. $10,000 just promoted to manager. And he said, I'm gonna give myself a raise. Oh, looks like Target, our favorite store.
You ready?
And it's Christmas time. Somebody said, I'm getting some early Christmas
I
presents.
use it too much.
Oh, she kind of
It's
cute.
not true problems. Send me true without a job.
They got some cuties working in Target. Cutie. Oh, a happy Hanukkah. Is Target Jewish?
Detective Rennish with Sullivan County Sheriff's Office. Target kind of briefly informed me of what
Oh yeah, he looked like he did it. Yeah, I can tell.
And in order for me to talk to you, I need to review your rights, alright? Have you ever been arrested before, sir? Alright, sir, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Anything you say can be used against you in court.
Let him read your rights.
You have the
I
right
have nothing to
have an
say.
attorney
I want a
present
lawyer.
now
That's all you
or
gotta
at
say.
any time during questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you understand that? If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Alright, with your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me today?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I was notified by Target that apparently over the course of your employment, there's a lot of cash registers that were turned up short, and that they have video surveillance of you folding money in your hand, and instead of putting it into money counter, you slipped into your pocket.
Yeah.
Is that
Oh,
accurate?
he's on video doing
Okay,
it.
is there a reason why this was happening? Are you
It was just like financial hardships.
Okay.
And then
there
it
it
turned
is.
into a bad habit that should have subsided long ago or never even started. But
Hey
yeah,
man,
that's
I
all
got
it
promoted. I
stemmed
felt
from.
I needed a
okay, you
raise.
happen to have a drug problem? Because we do have like drug court, we have programs to get people
Yeah,
help
no.
that are addicted to drugs.
Nothing addictive.
Okay.
Nothing
It's
serious
just-
like that. Just needed to get out of a hole, and then it stuck with a bad habit. Really.
Oh,
Okay.
Lauren?
Do you roughly know about how much it's been going on for the past, almost a year or 6 months?
I believe it was 6 months since I started. That's when I bought my house. That's when I needed to finalize some things that,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, if you gotta steal money to finalize stuff for a house, then you probably shouldn't be buying a house. You honestly think that this is gonna be I'm gonna tell you something, buying a house, finalizing whatever costs you have, about this much of what you're gonna have to put into that house. Because things happen. You need a new roof, the furnace, the HVAC, siding, all that stuff costs money. I don't think he was thinking long term.
They're estimating 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
$10,000 he stole? Now think about he's gonna have to pay all of that back. He said he needed to finalize something on his house. So now he's got that house sitting there. Still gotta make that mortgage payment monthly. Light bills, electric, all that still gotta be paid.
It's about 10,000 only in the last 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, the
months?
last 30 to maybe 90, 30, I would say 30 to 60 days is about just over $9,000.
Well, yeah, not that I'm aware of. Like I told them, when I receive it, I spend it on like materials and stuff because I'm remodeling my house. So
Okay.
nothing that I'm aware of.
Okay.
Oh, he's
Understandable.
remodeling
You
your
married,
house.
sir? Any kids?
Just engaged.
Are
got
you
kids,
serious,
yeah.
bro?
Okay, how many kids do you have?
Technically 2.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Biological or?
No.
Okay.
Stepchildren.
Um,
Stealing money to remodel a house. They got a loan.
you have anything you'd like to add?
What I would do is the whole statement form if he wants to.
Well, they have an admission form here. Can I see that?
They have loans for housing
So that
remodels.
You signed out.
Unless you got bad credit, then you're not
If you
getting
can read
one.
it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is just your signature here
Yes,
on
sir.
the statement?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go back and get a copy of that. Okay. I'm good with that one.
Uh-oh.
Alright, sir. Well, today you are going to be placed under arrest.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh,
you'll be able to bond out of the jail, and then from there it's with your attorney, speaking with the state's attorney and Target on working out some type of agreement in order for paying back, and you can go and see what
You
the
paying
charges
that
are
money
gonna be.
back.
Okay, they could reduce the charges, they can drop the charges, as long as most likely the money is paid back to Target.
You paying that money back, and they not dropping the charges. They gonna press charges, and they gonna want their money back. Cause if it was you do the exact same thing. We talking about over $10,000. Think about it. If it was your $10,000, you drop the charges if you paid it back. You going to jail, buddy.
And Target agrees to accept the money before it goes to trial, then they can always drop the case with the state's attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay, so that's something you can definitely work out. All right, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir, no.
Do you have any questions for Target?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so you do understand you are fired from the store.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, did you trespass from the store?
Yes.
Okay, and you
Yeah.
are being trespassed from the store as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that means you can't come
Fired,
back to the store property
Trespass,
unless you
jail,
actually speak with
and
somebody
gotta
from
pay the money
store,
back.
and then they lift it. But in order for them to lift it, they have to
Damn.
contact us because it's going to be documented that you are trespassed. Okay, so
From just this location or every
Yes.
location?
This
Okay.
location.
okay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
So
if
we
you'd like
go
to
to
come back to
another
this
Target.
Target, then you make sure you get in touch with management, and management has to call us to cancel the trespass.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
sir. That's fine.
You look at me real quick. I need a picture for the trespass.
Uh oh.
All
Oh,
right.
they put a picture on it.
Stand up for me. Do you have any? Well, before you, do you have anything in your pocket you'd like to take out? Do you have?
I just got keys and a phone.
Here's the most content
Okay.
thief I ever met, ever
No
seen.
knives or anything?
Nothing harmful.
Okay.
Just
I'm gonna
pass.
take out this watch, okay? So that way we have some room and you're not getting
Right.
cut off circulation, okay?
And it doesn't damage your watch.
Makes no sense. Going to jail, buddy. Yeah.
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 I'll wait for
Yeah.
gloves to do.
Show more of the girl. She's kind of cute.
No, you just
Need
listen.
that.
In this line of work, you've seen it all. I just don't put my hands in people's pockets till I got gloves on.
She's a little homely looking, but hey.
Just walk front, and then I'll close the door open.
The perk walk. The perk
This
walk.
property,
They're doing the perk walk. Walking through the store, so it's informer.
That backpack under the thing?
Where is it?
Under the bench right there?
Yeah, is that your backpack?
Yes, sir.
So his coworkers can see him.
That's his backpack too, he said.
Oh,
To
Christmas
go, I'm gonna
too.
go off like that.
No, it won't.
You're good, right?
Yeah.
You're good now.
Yeah.
No, this ain't.
Oh, that's a
cold.
bit busy.
It's cold now.
Target's always busy. I noticed that.
Alright, we're gonna go
But
back to
everything's
that
so
second car back there.
expensive. I never wonder why.
It's that truck right there, the big one.
Why it's so expensive.
Technically, you can't come back after the touchdown.
I'll have my fiance do it.
Oh, he has a fiance. What is she gonna say? Say he had a fiance.
Right here. Yep. Space this fly right in front of that.
Sure.
Okay, let's.
I'm gonna grab some.
Yeah, I got it.
So I don't run away.
No, I'm not
or
running
run.
away.
Or run.
No,
It is both.
I'm not worried about the running part.
I'm not worried about the running part either. That is,
Overweight.
that is part of it.
No, we do a lot of scenarios with tasers, and trust me, I'm pretty accurate. So I doubt that you would run away from me.
Why
at
did he
least,
blurring his
anyway.
face
You guys
out?
get tased?
I'm fairly
Yeah,
fast.
shit sucks, but
I'm fairly fast.
you know how to do it, right? When we get tased, so we know how it feels.
Uh-oh.
So you don't want to tase somebody else. Yeah.
Uh oh. Pull the gloves out. Is he gonna give him a rectal exam? What do you think? Probably not.
Not that bad.
All right, we'll try on you later.
Uh oh.
You guys need anything from me?
Nope, we're
Yep.
good.
I'm gonna go hop on the book.
Thank you. All right,
She came out just to be nosy.
You
You guys need any help?
Not great.
Oh.
We'll learn from them.
Like inside, do your damn
I
job.
hope that regardless of what happens, you learn from this thing today and what you've done and the consequences that come with doing what you did.
Yeah, this one's gonna fuck me up though, because I was going in the fire service, so I don't think that's gonna work out.
Yeah, you gotta figure it out. Maybe
Spread
you
your
can
feet
work
out
it
for me.
Yeah, maybe you can work it out with parking and the stop at the trial or something.
I hope so, but cause that's what I've been. The whole job that I've.
You can tell he's a dad. Look at them jeans.
Yeah, bro. But regardless, if it works out, if it doesn't work out, you'll have the story to tell. and just try to make better decisions than what you've already made.
What's in this pocket? Is it just like keys?
And probably some AirPods.
I'm trying to get mine.
Using some AirPods.
Keys and AirPods, you said?
Yeah.
Probably bought with stolen money.
The gym membership I don't go to.
Yeah, we all have those.
They might not be.
908-302, where are you at?
Yeah, there's. They're just not wanting to come out there either. I don't want to go drop them all
Tight
over
ass
the
jeans
place.
you got them. Probably want to put them out.
Right there. Nothing up here, right? No pockets.
Good.
Yeah, give me just a second. Alright, go ahead, take a seat.
Hey, Cameron, you've been so honest with us. Is there any money in your wallet that belongs to Target?
Just the big bills, I think.
All of it.
One second. Just 1 second. 3713.
It's warm in here, man.
Go ahead.
I don't like being cold.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
don't like
hell,
being really
awesome.
hot or
Tight
really
ass
cold.
jeans. Yeah, dang.
I can turn if it's too hot. Just let me know. Alright. Listen, if you're honest with us,
God damn, let's go back and look at them jeans. Look at those. Look at those jeans. Boy, those are some tight ass jeans. How in the hell he get those AirPods in there? God damn, look at the ankle. Look at the tightness around the ankle. How the hell he fit in those damn jeans? Word to Genuine.
cold. I don't like being really hot or really cold, so I can turn if it's too hot. Just let me know. Alright. Listen, if you're honest with us, and hold on. Is the backpack good to go in?
No, I haven't checked that.
You're so
This is everything
honest
that
with
doesn't
us.
need to be
Thank
searched.
you.
Wallet. and
You've
that
very
doesn't need to
made
be
our
searched. You
job
got an
real
extra-
easy.
I'll stand right here while you grab me some.
Easy enough. Or prosecute your ass, cause you confess, dummy.
I need to go back to the FT and get some more.
I keep on meaning to grab the black ones, but
You don't like the FD ones?
no. I know you like how they go all the way up your elbow, but I like the black ones. They look better.
They also don't show blood very well.
Let's search the bag, see what he got in here. Was that drugs? No.
So, I told Cameron that he's been so honest with us, right? And that I was going to search his wallet. I asked him, was there any money in here that belonged to Target?
Damn,
He
that's
said
a
just the
thick
big
ass
bills.
wallet.
Okay.
So, if you want to continue with that line, I can pull out whatever.
Feel free to, 50s, 100s.
When is this from, this money?
I don't know, it's
Is this from, it's not from today, it's from
No, I
previous
didn't- I
days? Okay.
So, how much money is supposed to be in here?
I don't have my wallet.
Is it safe to say that most of this money is from Target or changed from?
Damn.
Anything you can take.
Oh. Oh. Hear that money?
$5 and $100 bills? Hold up, Henry.
Oh.
So 6. $7.
$700.
$8.
800. About $1,000 in cash in his wallet. You know, took.
9.
Oh shit. I mean,
I'm just separating by. $1,000.
all the dollars. That's another felony you got there, big guy.
29.
I counted.
Okay. What are you thinking with this? I mean, he admitted that most of his money is either change or
Yeah.
money from
So, unfortunately, I have to do a currency form.
to give it back to them.
No, because if it's going to go into property at the sheriff's office, then it needs a currency form.
I want
and it
that.
has to
Why
be
did he say
signed
that?
off by a sergeant.
Yeah, literal.
That honest thief is a dumb
The
thief.
suspect was charged with felony grand theft and received 5 years of probation.
Okay, so This Target manager, well, he wasn't just hired, just promoted to manager. And what did he do? He gave himself a raise, over $10,000, which is not bad because he got 5 years probation, which is, how you look at it, probably about the same as being in jail. You just outside. There's one mistake and you going right to jail. But you gotta think, over $10,000, he's got to pay that back. That's restitution. Target's gonna want their money back. Whatever job or pay you get, it's going to Target. Plus he's on probation, so he's gotta have to pay probationary fees for 5 years straight. And if he had a lawyer, he's already in the hole just off the lawyer alone. So was all that money worth it? And he probably still didn't finish the renovations in his house. So now add that to the cost. Was it worth it, dude? Probably not. And he was so bold he did it in front of cameras. Target has cameras everywhere. And when he was caught, he was so honest. Yeah, I did it. That money in my wallet, yeah, I stole that. Why steal? You're just gonna give it all back and then have to owe more than you stole. Not worth it. Just save your money. Or he could have took out a home renovation loan. Either way, he was gonna pay the money back. Whether he stole it or took it out a loan. Wasn't worth it. At least if he took out a loan, he wouldn't be going to jail.